Hello everyone, welcome to the NRH channel. Dear students, in yesterday's class we have seen the 2-3 examples from the exercise number 6.5. Today we'll discuss about the 15th main. See the question what they given in an equilateral triangle, ABC, D is the point on side BC. So here equilateral triangle they given and a point on side BC. Now in a triangle ABC, D is the point on the side BC. Correct? So such that BD is equal to, see the diagram, BD is equal to 1/3 of BC. So BD is how much is there from the here 1/3 of the BC. Prove that 9 times of AD square. See what you have to prove here. 9 times of the AD square is equal to 7 times AB square. So 9 times of the AD square is equal to, you have to prove that 7 times of the AB square. So children, this example is very important for the examination. So see how to prove this one. The given triangle ABC is the equilateral triangle. We know that equilateral triangles having the 3 sides are equal. So here we will take the side of the equilateral triangle is A, correct? So and AE be the altitude of the triangle ABC. So AE is the altitude, means height. Altitude, height of the triangle means it's both sides from the 90 degree. Be the altitude of the triangle ABC. See, so equilateral triangle BE is equal to EC, because this is altitude means E is the midpoint of the BC. It means that BE is equal to EC. Correct, children? So then what about the BE? See, BE is the half of the BC, correct? Or you can say that EC is the half of the BC. So here BE is equal to EC is equal to what is that? BC by 2. It means that half of the BC. So is equal to, now we took that already, sides of the equilateral triangle BC is how much is there? A divided by these two as it is, correct? Now this is the BE, how much you got that? Half of the A, means A by 2. So and see one, this is a very important point. You have to remember in the previous class also I proved that now in the right angle triangle the altitude, now see what is altitude here? A into root 3 by 2. So altitude is the root 3 by 2 into side. Now side means here A, correct? So root 3 by 2 into side, that is the A. Remember the height of the equilateral triangle is, that is formula, or you can say that altitude is root 3 by 2 into side. That side is the A. Remember children. So here altitude is AE, so is equal to how much here? A into root 3 by 2. So here given that, see in the question they given here, BD is the 1/3 of the BC. So what they given? BD is the 1/3 of the BC. So BD is equal to, now BC value how much you got here? So 1 by 3 into BC. So BD is equal to A by 3, because see it means 1 by 3 means what it is? BC by 3, correct? Now BC how much is the side of the equilateral triangle? A. So A divided by 3, correct? So DE is equal to, see in the diagram, BE is equal to EC. Then how to find the DE here? So DE is equal to BE minus BD, correct? So see the carefully children. DE is equal to, see here, DE is equal to BE minus BD. I hope you got it. So children, see DE is equal to BE minus BD. Now substitute the value is equal to, now DE is equal to, see here BE. BE means how much is there? Half of, correct? BE is how much is there? BE is equal to how much you got that? A by 2 minus BD. Now BD is equal to how much you got? That is the BC by 3. BC by 3 means how much here? BC how much is there? A by 3, correct? BC is the side of the equilateral triangle, that is A by 3. I hope you understood. Now find the LCM. So here LCM of the 2 and 3, 6, correct. 2 1s are how many 2s are 6, 2 3s are 6, how many 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, correct. 3 into a 3a minus 2 into a 2a. Now divided by 6 as it is. 3a minus 2a, how much? A divided by 6, correct. A divided by 6 is the DE. How much you got that? DE is equal to A divided by 6. I hope you understood, children. So see the next. See, according to the Pythagoras theorem, take the right angle triangle AED, correct. This is 90 degree. Now according to the right angle triangle, according to Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle AED, so which is the hypotenuse, AD square is equal to ED square plus height AE square, correct. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, see AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. Then C is equal to, substitute the value AE. See, AE means what is that? Altitude. How much is the altitude here? I told already, altitude is equal to, see, A into root 3 by 2. A into root 3 by 2 whole square plus DE square. Now DE you got, how much is the DE? DE is equal to A by 6. But here square is there. DE square means A by 6 whole square. Correct. So C is equal to, C square it. A square means A square as it is. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. Correct. Square means you have to write the 2 times. Root 3 into root 3, root 9. 9 is the square number of 3. Correct. Remove the cap, 3 will get. So 3A square divided by 2 square means 4 plus A square as it is A square plus 6 square means 36. Correct. So find the LCM. LCM of the 36 and 4 is the 36 is the LCM. Then see how many 4s are 36. Then 4 9s are 36. Then how many 36 are 6? 36 1s are 36. Then multiply 3 9s are 27. A square as it is plus A square 1s are A square. Correct. So is equal to 27 A square plus A square, 28 A square divided by 36. Then cancel it by 4s are 4, 7s are 28 and 4 9s are 36. Correct. 7 by 9 A square as it is. I hope you understood, children. See in the diagram, what is the side AB? We know that AB is equal to A. Correct. So AB is equal to A. Then A square means how much? AB square. Correct. So A square means what is that? AB square. So finally AD square is equal to 7 by 9 AB square. See, you proved or not? See, in the question they given, you have to prove that. See. Now one more point. So this 9 you have to bring this side. Where it goes here? 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Correct? See, 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Hence you proved this. So children, I told before also, this example is very important for the examination point. So we'll see the next example. Yes, see the 16th question. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side is equal. See the carefully, children, here question what they given. In an equilateral triangle, prove that 3 times the square of one side. See, equilateral triangle has 3 sides are equal. So what they given? It is a 3 times a square. See, 3 times square of one side is equal to the 4 times the square of one of its altitude. So here 3 times square of the equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times of the altitude square. 4 times of the altitude square of the one of its altitude. So I think you getting the point what they given, then what you have to prove here. Given equilateral triangle, you have to prove that 3 times of the square on the one side of equilateral triangle is equal to the 4 times the square of one altitudes. It means that diagram ABCD is the equilateral triangle, AD is the altitude. So here in equilateral triangle, you know that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Three sides are equal. So AD is the perpendicular to BC. Then what you are going to prove here? See that 3 times of AB square. Correct? 3 times of the sides of the equilateral triangle. 3 times of the AB square is equal to 4 times of altitude. That is 4 times of the AD square. Correct? So we are going to prove this one. Now see children, in triangle ADB, see right angle triangle ADB and a triangle ADC. Make the both are congruent here first. So in triangle ABD and triangle ADC, correct? So AB is equal to AC, they given because the hypotenuse of the equilateral triangle, and angle ADC is equal to angle ADB because both is 90 degree. Each angle is the 90 degree. Then AD is equal to AD because AD is the common to the both right angle triangle. So you can say that triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC by RHS congruence criteria. Correct. So these two triangles are congruent means you can say that BD is equal to DC because corresponding parts of congruent triangle by CPTC rule. I hope you learned in the last year. What is this CPCT rule here? If the two triangles are congruent means their all corresponding parts are equal. So BD is equal to CD by CPCT rule, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So D is the midpoint of the ABC. Here both are BD is equal to DC means D is the midpoint of the BC. Correct. So then BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. Then BD is equal to, you can say that half of the BC, or you can say that DC is equal to half of the BC. Correct children. So give this equation 2 and given is the equation 1, 3 sides of the equilateral triangle. So BC is equal to AB. They given already equilateral triangle. BC is equal to AB. Then now a right triangle ADB. Take the one right angle triangle ADB. According to the Pythagoras theorem, that is AB square is equal to AD square plus BD square. Correct? According to the by Pythagoras theorem. So putting the value of BD from the 2. So here see the equation 2 here. Now this BD value means this value BD is equal to, you have to put in the this equation. So AB square as it is, AD square as it is plus, now BD means how much is there? Half of BC. Correct? BD means half of the BC. Then BD square is there here. BD square means half BC whole square. Correct? So is equal to AB square is equal to AD square plus say do the whole square here. 1 square means 1 only. 2 square means 4 into AB square. Correct? Now finding the LCM. Say find the LCM here. See children, AB square is equal to AD square plus 1 by 4 AB square. Finding the LCM. See there is no denominator means 1. Now see after finding the LCM here, find the here LCM now. 4 is the LCM here. Then here 4 ones are 4, then 4 ones are 4. Now 4 into AD square, 4 AD square. Correct? Then plus AB square ones are AB square. Then is equal to AB square. Now 4 you have to bring this side. 4 into AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Correct? Then plus AB square. I hope you understood children. So next what you have to do here. So this AB you have to bring on the left hand side. 4 AB square. It comes this side means minus AB square is equal to 4 AD square as it is. Now 4 AB square minus 1 AB square, how much? 3 AB square is equal to 4 AD square. Now 3 times of the AB means side of the equilateral triangle. 3 times of the side equilateral triangle square is equal to 4 times of the AD means here altitude. 4 times of the altitude whole square. I hope you understood children. See like that you have to prove. See remember this example is also very important for the examination point. Compulsory they will ask these out of these two questions. One question will be a fix for the examination children. So remember maybe a 3 marks or maybe a 5 marks they will ask such questions. See one more last question is there. That is the 17th one. Last question of this lesson. See what they given 17th question. Pick the correct answer and justify. See, object type, multiple choice question they given here. Take the correct answer and justify. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter and AC is equal to 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. One triangle they given here. Now name of the triangle is ABC. They given AB is equal to how much is there? 6 root 3 and AC is equal to how much is there? 12 centimeter and BC is equal to 6 centimeter. Now what they ask the question to find the angle B is, then what is the angle B here? See, find the angle B. It's the given, you have to check it now, either it is the right angle triangle is there or what. See, according to Pythagoras theorem, if the hypotenuse square of the right angle triangle is equal to sum of the square of other two sides means, then it is the right angle triangle. You have to check that. Now first you have to write here, see, AB square, find the first AB square is equal to, they given AB values, how much they given? 6 root 3 whole square is equal to 6 square means 36, root 3 means root 3 whole square means root 3 into root 3, root 9, 9 you have to remove outside, 3 will get here, 36 into 3 is equal to 36, 3 is a 108, correct? So similar, AC square, see AC how much they given? 12, 12 square means the squares of the 12 is 144, correct? Then BC square, 6 they given, 6 square means 36. Now see which is the large side here, 44. Check it now, either hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the other two sides are there or what. So 144, see that, we can see that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, because why you have to take that AC square? Largest side is there in these three measurement. So AC square value you have to put that 144 is equal to AB square means 108 plus BC square means 36, correct? So see, 144 is equal to 108 plus 36 144. So you can say that LH is equal to RHS, means this hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two sides is there. So what you can say that angle B is the 90 degree. So here is that 90 degree. So you have to mark the option is a C. I hope you got all the points how to find the unknown angle, then how you have to prove the given statement. So children, this lesson is completed. In the next class we'll see the new topic. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.